Class 8th Mathematics, Chapter 4, Multiplication and Division of Algebraic Expressions. Come to the exercise 4.1. Your first question, that is this one. Multiply the given expression to each other. मतलब इसमें multiplication आपको करना है. How can do the multiplication in all these algebraic functions? So first of all, you can write the first one, that is 2x plus 7. First one is 2x plus 7, and here is 3x plus 2. How can multiply? First of all, this 2x multiplied to 3x, that becomes 6x square. Once again, 2x multiplied to this 2, it becomes 4x plus 7 3 ja, that is 21 of x, and plus 7 2 ja 14. So you can write it 14. 6x square as it is, plus 4 and 21, that is the 25 of x, and plus 14, that is your answer. Now come to the second part of this question. It is 3x minus 5, and second is 2x plus 9. How can multiply to this? First of multiply to this, then second to this. So you can write here 3x into 2x, that is 6x square, plus 3 9 ja 27 of x, here is minus, so minus 5 2 ja 10 of x, and minus 5 4 ja, it's minus 45. Now come to the 6x square plus 27x and minus 10x, it becomes 17 of x and minus 45, that is your answer. Now you can do the third, fourth part. I will do your fourth part. So how can do the fourth part? It is 1 by 2 of x plus 5y, and second one is 3x minus 6 upon 5y. How can do? This 1 by 2 multiplied to this, so it becomes 3 by 2 of x square. Now 1 by 2 multiplied to this, minus 1 by 2 into 6 upon 5, that is xy, and here is 5 3 ja 15 plus 15xy, and it becomes minus 5 into 6 upon 5y. 5 cancel out, as is 2 1 ja 2 2 3 ja, and so on. So you can write here 3 by 2 of x square. Here is minus 3 by 5 xy, minus 3 by 5 xy, and plus 15 of xy, and minus 6. Here is y square. Now you can solve this one. How can solve this? It is 3 by 2 x square minus 3 by 5 xy plus 15xy and minus 6y square. You can write 3 by 2, it's 3 by 2 x square minus 7 by 5 xy plus 15 of xy and minus 6 of y square. What happened in this? So 3 by 2 of x square, taking their LCM is 5, so here is minus 7xy and plus 15, 5 just 75 xy and minus 6y square. It is 3 by 2 of x square, 75 minus 7, so it becomes 68 of xy and divided by 5 and minus 6y square. That is your answer. Now you can do the fifth part as your homework. So that is the homework. Now find the value of this. How can find the value of this? The first one is x plus y. This is first. 2y plus 3x and plus 3x plus y, and next one is y plus 2x. Now multiply to x this 2y, that is the 2xy, plus x multiply to 3x, it is 3x square. Now y multiply to 2y, so it becomes 2y square, and y multiply to 3x, so it becomes 3xy. Now 3x multiply to y, so we get 3xy. 3x multiplied to 2x, it becomes 6x square, and y multiplied to y, so we get y square, and y multiplied to 2x, so we get 2xy, so plus 2xy. So here is equal to sign. Now first of all you can write the x square, to 3 and 6, that is the 9x square. Now second is y square, 2 and 1, that is 3y square. And what about to xy? 2, here is 2, this 2, 3, 5 हो गया, 5 and 3, 8, 8 and 2, 10. So you can write 10 of x, y. That is your answer. That's your answer. So it is your this first question. Now I will do your fourth question. How can do the fourth question? You can check here. It is your a plus b, and here is a plus b. Once again a plus b. So first of all, this a multiplied to this a, it becomes a square, plus this a multiplied to this b, so we can say it's ab, plus this b multiplied to this a, so it becomes ab, plus this b multiplied to this b, so it becomes b square. So it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that is your answers. The remaining part is for your homework, so you can do at home, this one and this one. Now come to the third question. This third question, multiply x plus y and 3x plus 4y each other and verify the product for the following values. So first of all you can multiply to this. It is x plus y, and here is 3x plus 4y. So it becomes first of x and 3x, that is the 3x square, this x and this 4y, so it becomes 4xy, this y and 3x, so it becomes 3xy, this y and this 4y, it becomes 4y square. So what will be happen? 3x square, 4 and 3, that is the 7xy, and plus 4y square. Okay, so what will be happen? 3x square plus 7xy plus 4y square. Clear? Now put into left hand side and right hand side separately. सेपरेटली आपको रखना है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड दोनों में. सो हम पहले चेक करते हैं इसको, कैसे चेक करते हैं. यू कैन सी हियर. It has two parts. First one is left hand side, and second one is right hand side. So how can write? So first one is x plus y, and here is 3x plus 4y. Here the values x, first values m, the first values, that is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. X equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. So how can solve this? Put x equal to 2. So here is 2, y is equal to minus 1, and is 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 1. So it becomes 1, and here is 2 3 are 6 and minus 4. So that is 1 into 2, so it becomes 2. So left hand side is equal to 2. So you have remember to left hand side is 2. Now come to the right hand side. Right hand side is 3x square plus 7xy and plus 4y square. Now put the values. 3 into 2 square plus 7 into 2 into minus 1 plus 4 into minus 1 whole square. So it is 3 into 4 minus 3, 7 to the 14, and minus plus 4 into 1. So it is 12 minus 14 and plus 4. So that is 12 and 4, this 12 and 4, that is the 16 minus 14 is equal to 2. Hence verified. That means left hand side equal to right hand side. Similarly, you can do the other parts of this question and hence verified. So other part is for your homework. You can do very well this one part. It is your homework. So you can do at home. Now come to the next exercise, that is 4.2. Find the value of this. So how can find this type of value? First question is like this. That is 18x square. This one is first question. 18x square and y square, and divided by minus of 6x and y. So first of all 6 3 down 18, so it becomes negative. Power जो है यहाँ 2 है, यहाँ 1 है, so only one power is remaining. Here is 2 and 1, so it is only one power. So that is your answer. ये भी बहुत सिंपल है, so you can do. Now come to the second part. This one is second part. What happened? Minus 15 of x cube y square and z, and divided by minus 5 of x square y and z. So minus cancel with minus and 5 3 जम 15, ऊपर पावर 3 है नीचे 2 है, सो 1 पावर रिमेनिंग, y में भी 1 पावर रिमेन लग जाए, z will be cancel out. Very well, so your answer is 3xy, correct answer. Now you can do the other parts, it is very simple, so you can do 3 4 and 5. Now come to the second question. First one is divide. How can divide to this questions? So you can see here very well, it is divided by 2x square, so you can write here 2x square, and here is 2x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 4x square. How can multiply 2x square? So x square times, so it becomes 2x to the power 4. Now change their sign, it will be cancelled out, so we get only minus 6x cube. Now minus 3 times of x, so it becomes minus 6x cube. Change their sign, it will be cancelled out, so we get here that is 4x square. So it will be comes only 2 times, that is 4x square. So both are cancel out to each other, change their sign. So your quotient will be this one. It is your quotient and that is your answer. Now come to the fifth part of this question. Fifth part of this question. So it is divided by a, and here is a square plus ab, a square plus ab and plus ac. So first of all it will be a times, so it becomes a square, change their sign, it will be cancel out, drop here ab, so it gives b times only, so multiply to this, so we get ab, change their sign, it will be cancel out, where we can say it is ac, so it will be c times, so you can say ac minus and it will be cancel out, so your answer is like this, so it is your answer. So you can write this one your answer. Now the other part is for your homework, the remaining part this and it is your for homework, so you can do at home. Now come to the exercise 4.3. What will be happen in this exercise? First of all, write the given polynomial in the descending order. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसको वेरिएबल्स के डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में लिखना है, दैट मीन्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हाईएस्ट पावर, देन लो पावर. So what will be happen in this question? So come to the first and the first part. There is 15 of x square plus 3 of x plus 8x to the power 4 minus 4x cube and minus 45. So first of all higher power is this one, so you can write 8x cube, and last is 4x cube, so that is the 4x cube, it is 8x to the power 4 4x cube. अब स्क्वायर वाली यहाँ रह गई है, प्लस 15 ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर, Now x वाले 3x and minus 45 plus 3x and minus 45. That is your answer. It is the descending order. So you can do all the parts. That is the for your homework. If you want to do this fourth question, so you can do. That is the 4 minus 8x 8y cube plus 12y to the power 4 minus 6y square. What will be happen? First of all, y to the power 4, highest power, so y to the power 4, then cube minus 8y cube, then square minus 6y square, then simple y, there is no y, so plus 4, that is your answer. So you can write easily in descending order of the power of the variable. So y is the variable and descending power, that means कि decreasing order में powers को arrange करना है आपको. So you can do very well. So that one second part and third part is for your homework. So you can do at home. Now divide and say whether the divisors or multiple. फैक्टर ऑफ द डिविडेंड. डिविडेंड का ये फैक्टर है या नहीं डिवाइस. डिवाइड करने के बाद हमें बताना है. हाउ कैन टेल दिस वन. सो if remainder is 0, so that means it is a factor. If remainder is 0, so I will do your first question. Now x minus 5 divided to x square minus 11 of x plus 30. First of all, it is x times, so x से multiply करनी x minus 5 में, so it is x square minus of 5x. Now change their sign, it is plus, so it will be cancel out. It is minus 6x and plus 30. What will be happen? It becomes minus 6 times. So multiply to this minus 6x and plus 30. Now change their sign, it is plus, you cancel out, so it becomes 0. That means it is divisible or multiple of this polynomial. So you can write. What will be right? X minus 5 is a multiple factor of this polynomial. X minus 5 is multiple factor of given polynomial. So that is your answer. Similarly, you can do the other parts like this one. If remainder is 0, that means it is a multiple factor. If remainder is not 0, so it is not a multiple of factor. So that is your answer. Now come to the third question. Divide and prove that the divisor and the dividend are not multiple factor. Write down the quotient and the remainder for the following. आपको इसमें रिमाइंडर भी लिखना है और quotient भी लिखना है. So first of all, you can do one question. So how can do? Suppose this one is, if remainder is 0, so it is the multiple of given factor, otherwise not. So first of all, x minus 1. So it will be here x cube plus 2x square plus 3 of x plus 4. So first of all, x square times. So x square times x becomes x cube and minus of x square. change their sign, minus plus, it will be cancel out, so it becomes 3x square. So we get 3x here. So how many times? Plus 3x time. So multiply this 3x square, and here is minus 3x, and change their sign, minus plus, so it will be cancel out, so we get 6x and plus 4. So how can write this one? मैं इसको यहाँ लिख दे रहा हूँ जरा, 6x plus 4. How many times? It is 6 times, so you can write here 6 times. So it will be 6x and minus 6 1 just 6, so change their sign, so it will be cancel out, and here is 10. That is the remainder. So remainder is 10, and quotient is, it is x square plus 3x and plus 6. So that is the answer. It is not a multiple factor of the given polynomial because there is a remainder 10. इस remainder की वजह से ये multiple factor नहीं होगा. So you can do the other parts of this question very well. सिंपली आपको इसमें नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फोर्थ क्वेश्चन है. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में आपको क्या करना है? पहले तो डिवाइड करना है आपको, ये डिवाइड करेंगे इस वाले फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में, और डिवाइड करने के बाद इस फॉर्मूले को प्रूव करके दिखाना है, यानी इस फॉर्मूले में आपको अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. चलते हैं, देखते हैं कैसे अप्लाई होगा और कैसे हम इसको प्रूव करके दिखाएंगे. पहले हम डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. सो हाउ कैन डिवाइड दिस वन? इट इज़ m minus 2 divided by m square minus 3m plus 7. So first of all it will be m times, so m square minus 2m, change their sign, cancel out m square, so it becomes minus m, and plus 7, so only minus 1 times, so it is m minus minus m and plus 2, change their sign, plus and minus, it will be cancel out, so we get here 5. That means m minus 2, m minus 1 is the quotient, and remainder is 5. So how can prove this? Dividend is m square minus 3m plus 7. Divisor is, this is m minus 2, quotient is equal to m minus 1, and remainder is equal to 5. Now we want to check. How can check? Next page. On next page, dividend, in this next page, dividend, that is the m square minus 3m plus 7, it will be equal to divisor, that is the m minus 2, and quotient, that is m minus 1, and remainder is 5. It is divisor, quotient and remainder. Okay, and ये dividend है. So you can do multiply to this m into m, that is m square, this m, and फिर minus m into 1, that is the minus m, and minus 2m, and plus 2 and plus 5. So it becomes m square minus minus 3m हो जाएगा ये, and 2 and 5, that is 7. This one and this one both are equal, hence verified. सेम क्वेश्चंस आपको करने हैं इसमें. सो अदर पार्ट यू कैन डू वेरी इजी. इसके अदर पार्ट्स हैं, यू कैन डू वेरी वेल. So that part, that means कि second part, third part and fourth part, it is your homework. So you can do at home. यदि कोई क्वेश्चन ना आए तो उसको आप लोग पूछेंगे और मैं कोशिश करूँगा आपको फिर से बताने के लिए. और मेरे इस वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, शेयर करेंगे और लाइक करेंगे, कमेंट्स भी करेंगे कैसा लग रहा है आप लोगों को वीडियो. उसके अकॉर्डिंग मैं और बनाने का प्रयास करूँगा. हैव अ नाइस डे. थैंक यू.